Sorry if the audio is really bad on this. You can turn up your sound bar or turn up your volume or turn on camera.
Scissors,
Thanks.
pencil, paper, and what seems random? One single peanut. This is how to make one of these guys. These guys float very easily with the peanut on the back for weight and support. Let's do this. So first thing you'll need paper. Okay, so go like this. And then kind of rip from the edge. You need a clean cut of a paper. So first, you want to fold it this way like this. And then crease it. Now you have this. Now you want to fold it like this. Paper airplane style, I guess. You want it to be as equal as possible. Like this. Now, you want to fold it like this, like a paper airplane again. And then the other way. It might seem a little difficult, but once you get it like this, then you're good. Then you unfold it, you have this. Then you have this little part. Bend it right there. And it's still folded. And you get it right in between, right there. And now you have the balloon part. So now what you want to do is have this. Get a small piece of tape, medium sized, and tape this to there. Now this finishes the balloon part. Set that aside here and use another piece. You don't have to use the whole paper. So what you want to do is maybe like sketch out a small man. I'll show you after. Arms are optional. The arms are optional. You can add arms like this, going like this. And then, this might seem a little weird, but you draw lines out of him. This makes the paper strings. And it can be all in one set. Now, if you're lazy like me, you don't have to try your best to cut it all out. But if you're really sincere and really talented and wanna make this really good, then you could do it precisely. And then all you want to do is just cut out the man. And you want to make sure that you cut this part out. That is the important part. You want to cut this part out. Just this part. So that will make spaces in between the man. Cut. And there you go. You have the man. Now, if you want to add a little extra detail to the man, show him with masks or a goggle on. Okay, now that you have this man, turn this guy over this way. And you want to put the man whatever way you want him to face. So you go like this. and you place the man right there. You could let him fall, but and then you could grab either 3 individual pieces of tape or 1 big piece of tape. So tape this guy down. Tape. Oh, shoot. Tape mess here. Tape this guy down. And tape this guy down. We're not done yet. So right here, you want to bend all 3 of them. It might seem like a little off, but bend all 3 of them. Now you have this. Turn it over to his backside. And now the peanut is going to be in use. Now, if you want to crack the peanut, it's your choice, but I'm going to crack the peanut. And you guys can keep the shell on either way. And if it goes like this, that is okay. You want to pick this part out. You want to put it back together. And don't worry. If it keeps falling, it's really frustrating. Use a tiny piece of tape. Okay, so now that you have the peanut, I'm going to use a half peanut because I feel like that's easier. Like this. Stick it on like this. Sticky side this way. This man has a peanut in the back of his back. Okay, so now that you have the peanut taped on the back, it's really difficult to actually. You have officially finished this. And to showcase how good it is with floating, let us grab all 3 of them. This guy, and this guy. And follow me. Okay, so so now that we have all 3 of them, let's test out the one that we just made. Now, let's test it out. 3, 2, 1. And the other one. These 2 guys. This guy. Oh, you bumped against one. And this guy. They all float really well.
That
So,
one floated the best.
like this video, subscribe, and I hope you liked this video and play with your little parachutes. If it comes out bad, you could rewatch this video and try to spot some fouls or wrongs that I made, and you can make your own. And you could also do some things by yourself and color them, add some stickers, glitter, whatever you want to do. And you can also improve it and reinforce it. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye!